The do-while structure is almost identical to the while structure, except that it executes the code in the loop a minimum of one time. The actual while statement takes place at the end of the loop. So the code is executed, then the conditional is evaluated. The first code block could be written outside the loop, but it's cleaner code to use the do-while loop if it needs to be executed, and then the while condition evaluated. Note the need here for the all-important semicolon at the end of this while statement. This is one of the exceptions to the rule that structures do not need semicolons. This one does. In this second example here, we see a reason to switch to the do-while loop rather than use a while loop. Here, we're going to loop x a variable number of times, depending on what its starting value is. However, we want to make sure that we print the value of it at least once. In this case, this is perfectly valid code. We print x, increment it, and then go into the while loop. However, we could save a bit of execution time by moving this into a do-while loop like this. This code will produce the exact same results, but it looks and functions cleaner, which should be the goal of every script. You have to take pride in your own work in order to really appreciate it and to have it appreciated. I fully believe that programming is an art no different from painting or sculpting. In this case, words are your medium, and the structure of your code and the result of your program is your art piece. I make every effort for my code to be aesthetically pleasing, not just to make it easy for others to read, but to express my creativity and individuality through my programming, just like a painter or a sculptor.